Welcome to the OPC UA Expert Talk. I'm Oliver Jensen, and with me today is Kai Schnellicke, key expert for OPC UA.
Hello, Oliver. Thanks for inviting me here today.
Expanding systems to include OPC UA helps lay the foundation for digitalization. Since OPC UA is both a communication standard and a description of product data, it makes integration in HMI systems so much easier. Today we'll show you the actual added value it offers plant operators and service technicians. What do you think, Kai?
OPC UA is more than just a technology. It also offers you specific areas of application, such as integration in your supervisory control system or enhanced troubleshooting for your production facility.
Okay, but let's start with OPC UA in general. OPC UA is an open standard for horizontal communication from machine to machine, and for vertical communication from a machine to higher-level edge and cloud systems. That means you can build up systems that are modular and flexibly scalable. And so OPC UA can be used to support customer requirements such as manufacturing customized products or lot sizes of one. Thanks to OPC UA, we can also revolutionize the way humans and machines interact. For example, we can now integrate smart devices with augmented reality and speech control in a way that's both modular and flexible. While we're on the subject, there's also an updated alert interface known as Alarms and Conditions. Can you tell us exactly what that is and how it benefits plant operators?
Alarms and Conditions gives plant operators a globally standardized protocol that also supports alarm messages in multiple languages. It's platform independent, which means it will run on devices from different manufacturers. For our customers, that's very important. Compatibility is assured, and you get to choose based on costs and benefits. That means Alarms and Conditions is your key to standardizing and modularizing your alarm and information concept. And so, for plant operators, that's the best way forward to the digital factory. Alarms and Conditions gives you the key to integrate your monitoring applications into your production plant.
In the automotive sector, for example, there are additional escalation paths for troubleshooting. After all, every minute your system is down can cost several thousand euros. Service technicians can use standardized alerts and innovative HMI systems to reduce downtime still further. But what can they do if they're away from the site?
As an open standard, OPC UA functions a lot like a toolbox. You combine the specific functions you need for your individual situation. Alarms and Conditions supplies every connected system with the latest data from the source of your alarm, such as the machine. In other words, Alarms and Conditions reports alarms and machine conditions to monitoring systems, such as the machine HMI or the distributed control system. And thanks to encrypted and platform-independent communication, it can also be done outside of the production line, meaning no matter if you are in the office or at home. That means service technicians have access at all times while on the move, and so do shift managers in the control room. That's known as remote assistance.
Remote assistance is used mainly by machine builders who deliver worldwide. That saves them a huge amount of travel costs and travel time. How can OEMs make use of Alarms and Conditions in systems that are already in place?
Of course, retrofitting is an important question, and machine builders have a major advantage if they are already using a SIMATIC S7-1500 controller. After all, with TIA Portal version 17, it really just takes a click, and your previously configured program alarms, the system diagnostics and the process diagnostics are distributed to all connected clients via the OPC UA server.
That sounds easy, but what happens if you don't have a SIMATIC S7-1500 CPU, but just a 300 CPU?
In that case, we can offer you a flexible solution in the form of SIMATIC Industrial Edge. Industrial Edge functions as a kind of interface between your S7-300 controller and the OPC UA clients you have connected. That makes it easy for you to retrofit Alarms and Conditions.
I see. Very good. So I can use Alarms and Conditions for both existing and new systems as a way of quickly fixing system downtimes. What does that specifically look like for service technicians? And will it actually help them if they've always managed so far with paper documentation and a walkie-talkie to communicate with the control room?
Well, it works like this. They get an error message in the higher-level system in their control room. At the same time, service technicians on-site can query and receive the message on their smart devices. Thanks to the uniform standardized error description, they can then locate the source of the error more quickly. They can also acknowledge and comment on the error locally. Using alarms and conditions, this acknowledgement message is then transmitted back to all the connected systems, and production can continue. That means every error message can be recorded transparently, and the steps taken to fix it can be traced and documented. That's another step in the digital transformation toward evaluating production KPIs.
Thanks, Kai. Those really are new insights. The standardized error messages using alarms and conditions can help plant operators reduce downtimes by a lot. And the service technicians always have all the messages right there on their smart devices. By using OPC UA, you benefit from increased availability and productivity. We're happy to assist with standardizing your alarm system and incorporating state-of-the-art HMI systems. If you'd like even more details about OPC UA, especially about secure data sharing, feel free to watch our expert talk on Global Discovery Server. Thanks for your interest.